Welcome to the ServiceNow Knowledge Candidate Training video. In this video, you will learn how to access knowledge, search for knowledge, view knowledge articles, flag knowledge articles for incorrect or outdated content, and how to attach knowledge articles to records for easy access and reference. Before we get into ServiceNow, let's review some key definitions and concepts that you need to be aware of. We especially want you to understand what knowledge management is and why knowledge bases are important to our organization. Knowledge management is a central component of any successful IT service management organization program because it centralizes and organizes information for customers, which will be in a future phase, and support personnel, which is our current phase. The knowledge base is an online database of articles accessible at any time to users to find answers to commonly asked questions, as well as instructions and information to help them resolve their IT-related issues. The following is a breakdown of the different knowledge management roles. Knowledge users have read-only access to ServiceNow via the self-service portal. They can read Tier 0 content and flag articles if they feel the content is incorrect. Knowledge candidates can access knowledge using the ServiceNow Knowledge homepage, as well as from within a ServiceNow record such as a case. They can search and use the knowledge base and flag articles if they feel the content is incorrect. Knowledge authors can access knowledge using the ServiceNow Knowledge homepage, as well as from within a ServiceNow record such as a case and the ServiceNow Knowledge menu. They can create and update but cannot publish articles. Knowledge authors can also flag articles. Knowledge publishers can access knowledge using the ServiceNow Knowledge menu. They can see articles in any publishing state, and they also review, approve, and publish articles. Knowledge publishers respond to feedback and incorporate recommendations from the Knowledge Manager. And the Knowledge Management Process Owner oversees the knowledge management system, providing overarching governance and guidance. The HIDS Knowledge Manager is the Knowledge Management Process Owner. Now let's review the ways you can access, search, use, and flag knowledge articles in ServiceNow. You can access knowledge from a few different places in ServiceNow. Self-service users can access knowledge from the self-service portal by typing search terms in the How Can We Help search box. Users with a fulfiller role can use the ServiceNow native view to access knowledge. The native view is how we interact with ServiceNow when opening cases, incidents, or service requests. In the native view, you can access knowledge by using the global search field to search all tables in ServiceNow for information. To access the global search field, click on the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner in the banner frame. Enter your search term and click Enter. And a list of all results matching your search term will be displayed. You can also access knowledge directly from a record, such as from a case form. In a case, type the search term in the short description field and click on the search knowledge icon to display a listing of articles that match the search term. The search term entered in the short description field will be automatically placed in the search field of the knowledge form. Once you've located the applicable article, click on the article, and for easy accessibility, you can attach this article to your current case so you can easily reference the article information without needing to navigate to the knowledge base. Attached articles will be displayed in the Work Notes field within the activity log, as well as under the Closure Information section once you've saved the record. Within the native view, you can access knowledge directly from the Knowledge application. To access the Knowledge application, type Knowledge in the Filter Navigator field. The following modules are contained within the Knowledge application: Homepage displays the knowledge bases that you may have access to. Under the Article subheader, Create New allows knowledge authors to create new articles from a selected article template. Unpublished displays a list of articles in a draft state that currently are a work in progress. Published displays a list of all articles that are in a published state and are searchable within the knowledge base. Retired displays a list of articles that are outdated or no longer needed. Retired articles are no longer searchable within the knowledge base, but are available for archive purposes under the Retired module. My Flagged will display a list of articles that you have flagged for inaccuracies or inconsistencies. All Flagged will display a list of articles that have been flagged for inaccuracies or inconsistencies, and this is going to display all articles regardless of if you're the author. The All module will display a list of all articles in various lifecycle states: draft, unpublished, published, or retired. And the Open Submissions module currently does not apply to this phase of knowledge management. From the Knowledge Bases homepage, we can use the search field to quickly search for articles in all knowledge bases that you have access to based on your role. The drop-down box to the left of the search field allows you to select the specific knowledge base that you would like to search. The Import Articles and Create an Article buttons will allow knowledge authors to upload or create new articles. You can also subscribe or unsubscribe to knowledge bases to receive email updates anytime an article contained in the subscribed knowledge base has been updated or modified. The Knowledge homepage may also display any featured content, most useful or most viewed articles to help you quickly locate articles. You can also select the individual knowledge base to search for articles. Upon clicking on the selected knowledge base, you will be able to search for articles contained in the current knowledge base. On the left side of the Knowledge homepage search interface, you can quickly browse for articles by category. You can type the specific category, or you can drill down into each category by clicking on the arrows to expand the various categories and subcategories. Clicking on the Knowledge Management category will display the following subcategories: How-To, Records, Reference, and Templates. Clicking on the How-To subcategory level will display a listing of all articles contained in this category. You can also select any tags that you've created to tag any articles that you frequently use. Tags can be created to organize and group any records, pages, or articles that you need to quickly reference. Please note the tag must be created first before you will be able to select it in the tags list. For more information on tags, please review the article Tag Knowledge Article. To return to the Knowledge homepage, click on the Home icon. You can perform a keyword search by typing your search term in the search box. You can choose to search all knowledge bases or select a specific knowledge base from the drop-down list. You will receive a list of all articles in the current knowledge base containing the search term. The listed articles include the author, the last updated information, and the number of views. The filters on the left will allow you to further filter your search by knowledge bases, by categories, or by authors. You can also sort the contents by relevancy, last updated, or the number of views. For more information on accessing knowledge, please see the Access and Search ServiceNow knowledge article. You can search for knowledge in a few different places in ServiceNow. The self-service portal provides users with the ability to search for knowledge by typing a search term in the How Can We Help search box. You can also search for knowledge directly from the Knowledge homepage by typing your search term in the search text box to search all knowledge bases that you may have access to. All search fields use the ServiceNow Zing search engine. The Zing search engine supports the following search operators: single, multiple, and exact phrase searches. Exact phrase searches are performed by enclosing your search term in quotes. Zing also supports Boolean operators, which are searches that use and, so show me articles that contain the words batch and file. Zing also supports the OR Boolean operator. So show me all articles that contain the words batch or file. And Zing also supports the not Boolean operator. So I want to see all articles that contain the word batch, but not the word file. Zing also supports the use of any wildcard characters such as the asterisk. Zing removes stop words, such as those commonly used words such as the, and, a, that do not produce meaningful search results. Zing also supports the use of stemming, which means if you search on the word cloud, Zing will automatically include clouds, clouded, cloudy, cloudless, and any other variation of the word cloud. The filters on the left will allow you to further filter your search by knowledge bases that you may have access to, by categories, or by the author. You can also sort the contents of the articles by relevancy, last updated, or the number of views. From the Knowledge application, you can search for knowledge from any of the list modules, such as the unpublished, published, retired, or all module. Select the applicable list module to display a list of articles. The Publish module will display a list of currently published articles. By clicking on the Show Hide Filter icon, you can display the Filter Builder window to create filter conditions. The current filter is displaying a list of all published articles. If we wanted to filter this list of published articles to only return those articles with style in the title of the article, click on the AND condition to add an additional condition. The Choose Field drop-down will display a list of all the fields on the knowledge table. Select or type short description. The second field is the operator field and determines what type of filter you would like to create. We're going to select Contains. This is essentially doing our wildcard asterisk search. And in the third field, this is going to indicate the value that we want to filter on, so we're going to type Style. To run the filter, click on the Run button. Our list of published articles will be filtered to contain only those that match our condition. To remove a condition, click on the greater than symbol in front of the condition that you would like to remove. Our default list of published articles will be displayed. You can also sort the contents of the list by clicking on the list column header that you would like to sort by. You can also left-click on the list header context menu to display additional list header actions. You can sort in ascending or descending order. You can group the data by the selected column header. To ungroup, select the Ungroup option under the column header you selected. You can create a bar or pie chart report from the selected column header, or you can launch interactive analysis using Performance Analytics, or you can export the contents of the list in the following formats: Excel, CSV, JSON, or PDF. Right-clicking on a row in the list will display the list row context menu with additional controls. You can filter the data on the list by showing matching values for the selected column, or you can filter out values for the selected column. You can copy the URL of the selected row to the clipboard, making it easier to copy and paste this article link in an IM session or the body of an email. You can also assign an existing tag to the selected record, or you can create a new tag. Tags allow you to quickly locate the article for easier reference. You can also click on the View Article option to display the selected knowledge record in the article view. At the bottom of some knowledge lists, you may encounter a message displayed at the bottom of the list. Please do not be alarmed. This security constraint message is ServiceNow's method of informing users that they do not have access to certain information in the system. Some information in ServiceNow is restricted based on the current roles you have. If you do not have the proper roles to view certain records, the security constraint message will be displayed. You can prevent this message from being displayed by right-clicking on a knowledge base that you have access to, such as the HID Service Desk knowledge base, and select the Show Matching option. This will display all articles that you should have access to from the selected knowledge base. You can also easily create a favorite of the current filter by selecting the filter condition and dragging and dropping over to the Application Navigator. When we click on the Favorites menu, our knowledge filter will be displayed. You can click on the pencil icon to display the Edit Favorites window. On this screen, you can choose to rename the filter, choose a color for the favorite, and select an icon. When you have finished modifying the favorites, click on the Done button. The filtered list of articles will now be easily accessible. You can also search for knowledge by using the Global Search tool in the banner frame to the right of the user menu. Clicking on the search icon will display the Global Search box. The Global Search box will allow you to search all ServiceNow tables for the search term you entered. The Global Search box is an example of another search box, and all search boxes in ServiceNow use the ServiceNow Zing search engine. The Zing search engine supports the following search operators: single, as we perform with a badge search; multiple; and exact phrase searches. Exact phrase searches are performed by enclosing your search term in quotes. The Zing search engine also supports Boolean operators, such as the AND operator, so show me all articles that contain the word batch and file. Zing also supports the use of the OR Boolean operator, so show me articles that contain the words batch or file. And Zing also supports the use of the NOT Boolean operator. I want to see all articles that contain the word batch, but not the word file. Zing also supports the use of wildcard characters, such as the asterisk. A preview of our search results will be displayed in the search user interface. On the right side of the interface, we can quickly see the search groups broken down by table category. This will allow you to quickly go to the specific search group criteria to locate the specific article. For example, we know we're looking for knowledge articles that contain the word batch. We can quickly navigate to the knowledge search group to be taken to this category within the search preview list. Click on the applicable title to display the article. You can also access knowledge directly from a record, such as from a case form. Type the search term in the short description field and click on the Search Knowledge icon to display a listing of articles that match your search term. The search term entered in the short description field will be automatically placed in the search field of the knowledge form. For easy accessibility, you can attach this article to your current case so you can easily reference the article information without needing to navigate to the knowledge base. For more information on searching, please see the Access and Search ServiceNow Knowledge article. Articles can be viewed in the following places in ServiceNow. From the Knowledge homepage, we can type our search term and click on the applicable article to view the contents. Knowledge can be viewed from any of the Knowledge List modules. We can select the Publish module, and using the Go To search, we can select our column that we would like to search by, and using our wildcard asterisk character, we can perform a contain search by typing the asterisk and our search term. Click on the Knowledge article record, and scrolling to the bottom of the form, under Related Links, click on View Article. You can also view knowledge by using the global search. Click on the search icon, enter our search term, click on the Knowledge search category, and click on the applicable knowledge article. And from the short description field on a form, we can view knowledge by typing our search term in the short description field, click on the search knowledge icon, and select the applicable article to view the article contents. For more information on how to view articles, please see the Access and Search ServiceNow Knowledge article. You can flag any article while in the article view for incorrect or outdated content. To flag an article, search for the applicable article, click on the article link, and click on the Flag Article button. Please provide meaningful feedback to the knowledge authors and publishers so they are aware of the exact content that is incorrect. When finished, click on the Submit button. All flagged knowledge articles that you have authored will be located in the My Flagged module. You can also navigate to the All Flagged module if you have access. To see a listing of all flagged articles, you can click on the Remove Condition icon in front of the last condition. All articles that have been flagged will be displayed. For more information on flagging, please see the Provide and Respond to Knowledge Article Feedback article. ServiceNow provides the ability to attach knowledge articles directly to a record. The Attach Knowledge functionality provides users with an easy way to quickly locate and reference articles that may assist them with resolving an issue or providing an answer to a user. To attach an article to a record, navigate to a case form. In the short description field, provide a search term. Click on the Search Knowledge icon to display a listing of articles that match the short description. The value entered in the short description field will be automatically placed in the search term box on the knowledge form. Select the applicable article and click on the Attach to Case button. The article link will be placed in the activity log as a work note entry. When we save the form, under the Close Your Information tab, a link to the attached article will be displayed. We can right-click on this link to display the article in a new window or a new tab to quickly reference the article. This concludes the ServiceNow Knowledge Candidate Training video.